So we already completed with simple present tense and present continuous tense, and also we did simple past tense and past continuous tense. I hope you remember, or should I go back again to give you a quick recall? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. We remember, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
you remember. So we all know that when we use simple past tense, we talk about habit. I drink. Okay. And then when it is continuous, we use ing form, and also we use be form, that I am drinking tea now. Okay. Action which is going on now. And then simple past tense. I drank. So whenever it is simple, the be form, that is am or are or is, that thing is not coming. Okay, be form is not coming. But then when it is present continuous tense or past continuous tense, be form is coming. I am drinking, and here as it is past continuous tense, I was drinking tea when I got a
When
call
I
from
got
a friend this morning. Okay, I hope you recall. And if I didn't send you this doc, I will send it to you by today itself, or maybe by tomorrow morning. Definitely, I'll send you. Okay. And if you have framed some sentences according to the tenses, please send it to me so that I can check it. And if you have not, then please try to practice it. Then it will make the understanding more clear. Okay. And then today we are moving to present perfect tense. Present perfect.
perfect tense.
Present perfect tense shows us the action which has been completed at the present moment. Means now when I am talking, the action has been completed. I told Uday, Uday, please remove that person. I then asked Uday, did you removed that person? Yes, he said yes. So that means the action has been completed right now. Yes, before I spoke. Am I clear?
Ah, yes, madam.
Hmm. So here there are few examples, like he just prepared a cup of coffee for himself. Means just he prepared, and now might be he is having, or maybe he is serving to the other person, but here it is for himself, so might be he is having the coffee now. So already the preparation has been done. She has come to meet me. Already she has come to my house. She has come to meet me. So all these actions are those which has already happened uh, in the current time. When I'm speaking just few minutes back, those things have taken place. Okay, so the present tense is formed by using have and has. Okay, so how can we form the present perfect tense? So in that case, we have to use have or has along with the main verb. So whichever verb, that is the doing word, whichever we are using, with that we have to use have and has. And how we are going to use it, that is when there is first person pronoun and second person pronoun, that is you, we have to use have. And then when it is third person, or if we are taking somebody's name also, at that time it is has. So here Raju is the third person. Raju has left. So he has already left the house few minutes back. I have finished my homework. So few minutes back I have finished my homework. Just a second. Am I clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is the
Yes,
slide visible
Yes,
to you?
madam.
Is the slide visible to you, or it's very
Yes, madam. Yes, yes.
yes, it is visible, ma'am.
Hmm. So there are two main uses of present perfect tense. First of all, when we talk about experiences, so experience which is ongoing. Okay, so Harish is experiencing something bad. He is talking something bad about me to my manager. Okay, so that is a ongoing process, or he spoke about me. Okay, so like I have taught singing to many students. I have taught singing to many students. So that means at past also I have taught, and in my present time also I am teaching, and in future also I will keep teaching. It is not something which has end. Okay, I have not finished, I have not stopped teaching anybody. Still, I am teaching, but then the sentences I have taught singing to many students. Okay, and then I have watched two movies this week. So this week I have watched two movies, and maybe it is the beginning of the week, maybe it is Monday or Tuesday, and I might watch more movies. Yes, so it is not like I have finished watching movie in the current week. So Harish, can you give me two examples of um, present perfect tense where the time period is ongoing?
Present perfect. So present perfect means it just now happened.
Hmm.
Time
Hmm.
should.
Hmm.
Yeah, I just completed my dinner at 8 o'clock.
Very good. But then can we use have or has, something like that?
Yeah, have we can use.
Hmm. So just use have and then tell me the sentence
I
again.
have my dinner at 8 o'clock.
I have my dinner at 8 o'clock. Okay. And any other sentence?
Mm, yeah. Shilpa